Hi, Big Tractor Power fans. This video comes to you from a Western Kentucky soybean field where a model year 1990 Case International 1660 Axial-Flow Combine is harvesting the crop with a 25-foot wide Case International 1020 grain platform. In this video, viewers will learn about the combine's production history, specifications, and original price tag. This video will also share some interesting connections the 1660 Axial-Flow has to other historical Case and international combines. But first, let's head out to the field so you can see and hear all this soybean harvesting action. Case International's 1600 series of Axial-Flow combines included 4 models manufactured from 1986 through 1992 at the company's East Moline, Illinois combine factory. The models include a 125 bushel 1620, 145 bushel 1640, 180 bushel 1660, and a 210 bushel 1680 Axial-Flow combine. From 1986 through 1989, the 1600 series of Axial-Flow combines were powered by International Navistar engines. These machines are easily identified by large block model numbers that appear on the combine's grain bin sides. Starting in 1990, the company switched over to Cummins engines to power the 1600 series, and these combines can be identified by small model numbers that appear in the combine's branding decal that runs the length of the machine. Case International 1660 combines, built from 1990 through 1992, are powered by Cummins 8.3-liter 504 cubic inch 6-cylinder diesel engines rated at 180 horsepower. The combine features a 24-inch diameter axle-style rotor and is equipped with a 180 bushel grain bin that unloads through a 16-foot 25-inch unloading auger at 1.9 bushels per second. The original price tag for this combine when it was new was $103,687. The 1660 Axial-Flow is not the only combine in Case International's history to use the 1660 model number. Back when the company was known as J.I. Case, its top-of-the-line combine from 1968 through 1972 was a 100 bushel capacity, 100 horsepower Model 1660, powered by a Chrysler 318 cubic inch V8 gasoline engine. The combine is equipped with a 52-inch threshing cylinder and 5 straw walkers for threshing. The original price tag of a J.I. Case 1660 combine was $14,940. Case International's 1660 combine was the direct upgrade to International Harvester's original Axial-Flow combine introduced back in 1977 and manufactured in East Moline, Illinois through 1985. The Model 1460 is powered by an International Harvester DT436 6-cylinder Diesel engine rated at 170 horsepower. The combine has a 180 bushel grain bin capacity and also features a 24-inch diameter axle-style rotor for threshing. Its original price tag was $85,700. I hope that you've enjoyed spending some time out in the field hearing and seeing this Case International 1660 Axial-Flow Combine harvesting soybeans. Does your farming operation use Axial-Flow Combines to harvest your crops? Let me know about the model and size machine that you're running in the comment section below this video. If you've enjoyed the video, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 1,000 videos of farm machines in action. As always, thank you for watching.